Now, there are some schools, like you said, they don't have systemic, right? What kind of message could you give to these school directors that are still in doubt, or what can I do to have a bilingual program in my school? What would you tell them to convince them that systemic works and that systemic is important not only for English but for your lives?
I think we should see the results and forget about grammar. Grammar is massive. We have to know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course,
Yeah,
we have to
of
know,
course.
but we do learn grammar because we came here saying no, grammar is not, but we do learn grammar, but in a cool way, but not a massive way. And I think trying to introduce it in public schools is pretty awesome. Teacher told us, Vera told us before we came here that this was the main idea. And I'm really happy. In the beginning of my life, I studied at the public school, and you can see the difference. You can spot the difference far beyond the school. Only looking at the public, looking at the situation the school in, I'm part of the scholarship process of SESC. I don't pay nothing since 2015. And I can see that in my family, that we're not so rich, this was a lifetime opportunity. And if directors could give this to another student just like me, it will, change someone's life.
Yes.
So that's the message. Education can change things, most of things, and it can change it for better.
Yes,
That's my message.
for sure. Good, Pedro. Thank you. How about you, Amanda?
I think if you want to start a bilingual thing in your school, it's important to know that it's not just, oh, let's give them English classes and not really doing it, because you have to see how they are doing it, because some schools are like, no, we teach English, but as I said, they don't know. They don't speak English during the classes. They don't listen to things in English, so they don't really know English. If you put them to speak with another person that really knows English, they're not going to have a conversation, because it's difficult to understand. It's difficult to to speak. So see and go to an education, a system that is going to make the difference. It's not just English. It's never just about the language, but it's learning something that is going to change your life, because it's something more that you have there. It's not just, oh, I know how to speak English, and you don't really know, but it's something big, it's something important. And even for people that are in need, English is something that has the power to change their future. So if you're going to start to teach English, start truly, not just to say that you have the English in your school, but do it. Do it, because you're going to see people growing, and you're going to see kids growing, and the parents oh my God, my child, my son, my daughter, they know how to speak English, something that I never had. So they are going to grow as people, and academically, and everything. This is going to help them. The English is going to help them. So if you want to teach English, do it correctly. Not just to say that you are going to teach English, but really do it and make them fluent. Not just translate things, but really understand and speak.
Yeah, good. Now, do you think